Fourth grade, here we go. I'm excited. I'm excited. We've got problem set 15 today. And I'm so jazzed because, as you can see, I'm thinking about working E, 1E today. And if you're looking at your paper, you can see that the original problem was 1,000,000 minus 592,000. And I'm pretty jazzed because I'm like, woo woo, I want $1,000,000 in my bank account so I can go and spend 592,000. So, really quickly, 1,000,000 minus 592,000. All right, so I'm going to put my Post-it note here. Well, when I start subtracting, I'm like, ooh, 0 minus 0, excellent. 0 minus 0, excellent. 0 minus 0, ooh, yes, I can do that. Here's where I run into my pickle. This puts me in a pickle. So I've got to come all the way over here to the millions place and unbundle. Well, if I unbundle, I'm essentially moving it over here. But then I need to unbundle again, move that over here, and then I need to unbundle one more time and move that over here. Now it says 10 minus 2. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 5. Okay. And now I have my answer. But I do want to go back and double check. Fourth grade, do you remember the strategy of going back and double checking? You might want to do that on scratch paper really quickly or in your math notes. All right, so I'm going to move my Post-it note over here, and I'm going to make sure that indeed I am figuring this out. So right here you can see how I was like, do I need to unbundle and put this over here? No, I can do 0 minus 0. So this one needs to be changed to a 10. And you can see how I have processed this over here. Because I was thinking, I might need to work through my strategies. Yeah, those are the same number. I do want to go back and make sure I add this number and this number to make sure I get 1,000,000. All right. Problem set 15. Problem set 15 on the back. It is, that's right, you guessed it, tape diagrams. Tape diagrams, and remember, a diagram helps me understand the flow of what's going on. Use tape diagrams and the standard algorithm to solve the problems below. Check your answers. David is flying from Hong Kong to Buenos Aires. The total flight distance is 11,472 miles. Okay, so if you remember our fact families or fact triangles, this time I'm actually going to draw it like this. And I'm going to label it total flight distance. Total flight distance. Okay? If the plane has 7,793 miles left to travel, how many more miles does it have? How many more miles does it have left to travel? So, well, I know that it's flown. Nope, I don't know. It says, how far has it traveled? So that's my question right here. But I do know it has this many left. it has this many left. All right, so I still have this missing unknown. So if you remember yesterday in class, we talked about how this is pretty similar to when you were in first grade, kindergarten, second grade. It's just sadly, this time we're taking away a number. And you have to figure out how to process to get that missing number. This tape diagram is going to help us. So we know the total. This is how much is left. This would be how far has it already traveled. Okay? All right. So what am I going to do? Well, it says use the standard algorithm. So I know my total. Oops, that should be a 7. And I know how much they have left. Let's start here in the ones place. And now I need to subtract. So I'm looking for that missing number. But here in the 4th grade, we use tape diagrams. All right, 4th grade, the rest of this is yours. Please make sure you are using your strategies, and please, please, please be self-aware, just like the self-aware doggy at the beginning of this video.